Hey nigga. Yeah, and I gotta kill a nigga, man. Yeah. Like his name was Baby Frozen. Always been popping a bottle of roses. Driving Bugatti like with the niggas that own shit. Now we're playing their own shit. Yeah. Our bases. We're from ABS City, touchdown. Yeah. Now we're living the life we have aimed for. We have aimed for. Yeah. We got hustle hard till I sweat. Bubble. We go play hard till we all go sweaty. Yeah. Work harder and ball harder, but stay connected. Yeah. Keep playing around your circle and keep loyal. About what is these niggas? I've been in the game before I came. But you have mercy. If I was there, you shouldn't have came, nigga. Yeah. I will be telling you how I grew up, nigga. Yeah. All you can do was think it was easy, nigga. Yeah. Play a role and I play my role and we make G's. Yeah. Do your thing and I do my thing and we make money. Yeah. I will be going to my throne where I'll be reigning forever, man. Yeah. My album cover like watch the throne. You ain't watching, nigga. Yeah. Keep my wall. New crib, new houses. Yeah. Popping champagne and let it go pop, nigga. Yeah. Pouring rosé, life is a sweet bitch. Yeah. I found this not hard before I go station. Woo! Yeah, smoke some with me, you the killer. Life is a motherfucker, but treat her well and you feed well. Yeah. Leg of the house, now we are playing the nigga cases. Yeah. Niggas don't chase the cup and they're winning, nigga, I'm winning. I was born to win, so I die before I go lose. I win in every competition, now I'm playing hard like a ball loser. Yeah, no more on me. Skinny nigga with a big trophy. Yeah, I pour champagne, I ball hard like it's nothing. Yeah, listen to the rhyme, listen to the throne. You can have the war screaming down the counter, they king of pop. Down the counter, they king of pop. Down the counter, they king of pop.
the DJ.com